Hey everybody! Recently I saw a very cool project that is made of similar piece of walnut and I really want to repeat this project. So let me try to do it.
Riding this train down through this town, all of in flames.
Let's go.
No rain comes down. Cops cruise the streets where the justice is found. Here in my room, I can't hear a sound. Here in my room, I can't hear a sound. And she say, I don't know where he is. He cried, oh. She say, I don't know where he is. He cried, oh. Up in the north, where the fir trees abound. Oh, down at the barn, and orders another round. Up at the lake, you gotta put your roots down. I know here in the woods is purity found. I wonder here in the woods is purity found. And she say, I don't know where he is. He cried, oh. She say, I don't know where he is. He cried, back in town, where my neighbors are loud.
Allegedly I have to remove the wife.
Thunder clouds loom, but still we stand proud. Here in my room, with the AM on loud, I'm just doing my best to drown out the crowd. I guess I'm doing my best to drown out the crowd.
Oh my gosh. This is really pretty, except inside. One final update on this project, because I need to a little bit seal it inside, I need to apply a little bit of beeswax. Multiple ways to do it, this is my favorite. Take a beeswax, take a grater, and grate a little bit. Okay, don't use cheese for this. Probably not a good idea. Take a heat gun and heat it up. Apparently, smoke alarm didn't like it, even though I don't feel any smoke. Now it's sealed for water, not for hot water, but just for water. So done. Ta-da! So here it is, my simple project, a small tiny vase from walnut, looking quite good, really good. I like how it ended up. Way more challenging than I initially anticipated for the inside part. I thought I had enough tools to actually hollow everything inside, but apparently the tools I have still not enough. I was able to finally do something. It's not super nice inside, but who looks inside? I hope to like this video, so click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. See you next time.